wanted it. Put it back in the jar. Put it back in the jar. Now you get no cookie. Sorry,
JJ.
tough guy.
JJ. Say hi.
Jeez Louise, Mom.
You want cookie?
Oh, I was going to clean it down.
No.
Wipe
Huh?
it down, or how can you wipe this? Wouldn't it
They want
be,
cookies.
Where you going?
They want cookies.
Okay, come here. Hmm? Your brother's trying to walk up the stairs. He's growling. He's not creeping anymore. JJ. Bless you.
Say, I love Chrissy, Mommy.
Cookie, mommy.
Yay! Now it's in the video.
Come here. Give kisses. Give
Did he
hugs.
tell you that I wanted to drive by just to make sure? Yeah.
High five, high five. Low five.
They're hanging out.
High five.
Yeah, stepping out of their flat.
Mid five. Low five. Oh. Oh.
So what happens when you find out that they're food?
What's Ari doing?
Like,
I can't.
you're gonna knock
Ari's
them
crawling?
or- so I don't know.
Close the door. Close the door.
Nothing's gonna really be accomplished after you
Close.
find them out. You're just gonna be like, "Hi, I caught you." Yeah, but no, you know.
Close the door. Close the door. Quick.